guys, it's me Jessica, and today we're just going to be doing a room tour because it's like rainstorm outside. Let me show you. Well, it doesn't look like it much because you can't really see it on camera, but it is. Clearly you can see it's raining. If you can't, no, I'm sorry. But I have tried to light up my whole bedroom because it is literally so dark because it's been raining and obviously stuff like that. So today is my room tour and we'll show you my room. So let's go. So the first thing is obviously my door. And obviously it's just this room and it's got an American flag because I love America. And then we come in. There is my Jojo Siwa nice little thing there. My teddies and my toys, my fidget spinners, my nice light that I have for my birthday, my Karina Garcia slime book thingy. This is like kind of my station where I create all my slimes. So yeah. That is all my lights that I really like. And it's just a bunch of junk over there. Here is my balloons that I had for my 11th birthday. And here is my picture that lights up. It's really cool. And then there's my other picture. Here's all my posters that I put up. And of course a Jojo Siwa one, because why would you not like a Jojo Siwa one? And down here I've just got lots and lots of things, let's just say. Nothing to sign there. And here is my window sill thing. So here's my Greatest Showman DVD. I can hear. Okay, I can hear the thunder now. Here. Never mind. This is my little basket of like shower stuff. This is my favorite one because it's so nice. It's the Strawberry Touch Body Butter Shower Cream by Palmolive Gourmet. So good. You can get it in chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and the new one is mint. So yeah. And here's like my Zoella products that I got for Christmas. Not this Christmas, last Christmas, because Christmas hasn't gone this year. And here is my little bath soak, body scrub, body wash, and body butter I had off my boyfriend for my birthday. And there's my jewelry box and other makeup, and that's the rest. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Bye.